Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. It's a sharp 2012 Scion IQ. Pearl Blizzard is the color, which is a pearl white. That's an option on this car. Real pretty. It's got nice tinted windows. Got the rear spoiler. These are a great car. I've sold a few of them. A lot of fun to drive. Reliable. Economical. And a lot roomier than they look. Plenty of room inside for two people. It does have a back seat, but that's maybe for a small child or a little grocery or a pet, maybe. It's a pretty wide car. It is a one owner, clean Carfax, Southern car, no rust, non-smoker, in light new condition. Does have keyless entry, power window, locks and mirrors. The nice seats, clean. It's got the side impact airbags. There's your back seat. The seat does go forward flat, so you can have some cargo space instead of a back seat. It's got a nice layout. About 17,700 miles. Very low miles. Shows you your outside temperature, your clock, trip, instant fuel mileage. There's average. They claim it'll do up to 40 miles per gallon, so that's pretty good fuel mileage. There's your RPM, your speed, your audio control, light control. It's got a nice leather wrapped steering wheel, real comfortable. Front rear wiper control. It's got AM, FM, CD, Pioneer sound system. It's got Bluetooth for your phone, and you can Bluetooth stream also, audio, which is real nice, no wire. Pretty straightforward. Climate control. It's got a CVT automatic transmission, traction control, USB and auxiliary input. There's your lock. I do have an extra key. Passenger seats like new. The whole car is like new. Lots of headroom. I'm 6 foot and there's about probably 3 or 4 inches on top of my head. Been serviced, ready to go. For a small car, it's got some pretty good sized wheel. They're 16-inch. So it rides really good. I think they're a cool car. Take the headrest off and then the seat goes down forward. I don't know if you can see the color, but it's pearl white, very pretty. Whoever had it before took real good care of it. Nice clean engine compartment, like new. It does have a 1.3 liter 4-cylinder gas engine. Plenty of power. And very fuel efficient. This is made by Toyota, so it's good quality. You can see the Toyota emblem. Long-lasting car. If you're looking for a sharp, unique car in light new condition at a very affordable price, this should do it. We do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Get you a nice low payment. To see if this IQ is still for sale, go to my website, Sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. We do offer worldwide shipping. To get a shipping quote, or if you have any other question, you can call me anytime. Toll free is 866-933-4680. Thank you for watching.